This Tiffin has a TV built into the slide on the outside of the slide out that's for the kitchen. And of course, this thing's got underneath storage with really nice locking system on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 bays total, if I counted correctly. So, not sure if it passes through or how that works without opening it up, but that's what we got. Hey sightseers, I'm going to take you on a little tour of a 2020 Tiffin Allegro. This Tiffin model has 4 slide outs and it's a diesel pusher with a Cummins diesel. So, bring you on inside so you can see what it's all about. We're inside a 2020 Tiffin Allegro and check this out. This is like big time RVing here. So these are the specs on it. Base price comes in at $276,000. And then you've got your optional features here. But for today, they're offering a sale price of $229,900. This could be yours. It's got a Cummins diesel in it and memory foam for the bed and for the mattress. And Truman On Demand, which I'm thinking must have to do with the hot water system, hot water heat. So this has one of them pull-out pantries for your canned goods or whatever you want to put in there. And then it's got a nice full-size Whirlpool fridge. Look at that. Nothing to eat in there today. And then you've got your kitchen area. Lots of cupboard space. Convection oven. This is where the cooktop is, which is real nice. It's hidden underneath here. So real fancy. And so when you're not cooking, you've got extra counter space. Feels like, I'm thinking like some sort of acrylic, but don't quote me on that. I'd need to look at the specs to verify that. Something I'm not overly impressed with the model is that it doesn't have an actual oven. It just has the convection oven, and personally I prefer cooking with a regular oven. Marty's waving at me. Say hi, Marty.
How's it going?
Don't you wish this could be our rig?
Yeah, when I win the lottery.
So we're going in the bathroom here. See how much room this Tiffin's got. And it seems pretty cozy. Pretty cozy in here. Not a whole lot of room. Not what I expected.
Oh, like I hope she's not going to the bathroom.
No. Really. Like, I'll be going to the bathroom in here. Come on. So, that's what you got. It feels like real wood, which is real nice. Got a little cabinet up here. And then, of course, your fan. And shower with a Delta head on the end of the sprayer. Well, this is nice. They have it so you can put your shampoo bottles in here and they're not going to fly out when you're driving down the road. And then you got your skylight up there. So, and it looks like you've got some electronics here with the lights, the water pump, vent fan, etc. So, real nice. In here we've got the bedroom, of course. Nice big king size bed for the folks.
I just want to work out of it.
Notice that the woodwork here is a lighter. I'm almost thinking it's got a maple look.
I want to say they're about.
Obviously it's not going to be real maple, but that's the look I think that they're going for in here. And then it's got the stacking washer and dryer unit. Real nice. And you got your full bedroom set up here with dresser drawers, stuff like that. Oh, we gotta check out this memory foam mattress. Oh, this is nice. I think this is more comfy than our bed at home. I'm serious. This is a really awesome mattress. This is probably one of the first mattresses I've noticed or discovered inside an RV that actually is better than my home mattress. Just gotta try it out. Very nice. Very nice Tiffin model. But is it really worth the money? That's what I'm wondering, you know, to spend over $200,000 for a unit like this when you could easily buy a used model, and with a diesel, you know, they run forever. So if it's well taken care of, you can get a used model for a pretty good price and not be breaking the bank. So this model's decked out. It's got computerized leveling, buttons for the slide, left, right. I'm not sure, that might be for the mirrors, the air horn, and then you've got the big panel. I'm sure that's computerized. Obviously we can't turn it on to test it out, but we've got the stereo system here. So really nice, really nice. People are loving this model. Yeah, I think I could see myself driving this thing down the highway. Yeah.
Special thanks goes out to all our fellow sightseers here on Patreon and PayPal. Without you, these videos wouldn't be possible.
We'll take one last look here of this luxury, definitely a luxury model here at the RV show.
Yeah. Stay away from there just in January. Really? When we were there, we went to Death Valley for the month. We didn't even stick around for the show. He says we hobbled abandoned mines. Like Death Valley has a ton of them. I don't even realize. A lot of people think it's just, well, if you're from California, you know Death Valley.